Hey, well, hello everyone out there in YouTube land. This is Saida, the domestic handmaid and of distinction, coming back again as always to you live and direct. I hope that all is well with you. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you're moving forward. Hope you're being encouraged. Yes, please forgive my messy desk. Excuse me. Today I am coming forth with a DIY. Yay! So I'm going to be doing a DIY. I have a lot of DIY projects in the works. They're very simple, very small things, but they make a difference. There's some things, you want to put your own little personality on things. So I have just a few little things that I'll be sharing with us. Upcoming. But today I'm going to be doing a DIY because I'm part of a challenge. The challenge is called 2019 DIY and Decor Challenge. Excuse me. DIY Fall. Excuse me. Yeah, you can't make all of this up. Anyway, so it's the 2019 Fall DIY and Decor Challenge, Saida, and everybody out there in YouTube land. So, and that this is being hosted by Christina over at DIYmommy.com. So she's going to be doing what she's doing a challenge for us to do fall DIY and decor, of course, challenge. And I can do the decor part, but the DIY, I was like, oh my goodness, what am I going to do? I was thinking that maybe I'll just do the decor, do a little decor challenge or the tour, and just forget about this or something or about the DIY. But I was like, that would really be cheating and not fair. So I said, oh, okay. Then I was looking around. I said, okay, these, and I'm sure you're probably familiar with these. You've probably seen these before. I do love this. I've had these in silver. This is the gold. I've had them in some other things, but I also have it in this as well. But it's something else that I've had these in, and I just keep little nicks and bobs and bits and bobs in them around the house and things we might need. They'll be stored in these or whatever. But I've never loved or liked these ribbons on here, so I've always had them backwards when they're sitting in the house. But then I thought about it. I was like, you've never liked these. This is something that you could do, and I always have. When bric a brac and ribbon and stuff like that. So I always have this ribbon around in my storage cabinet. I said, oh, you know what? I could take that off and put this on. So that's what I'm going to do. However, I thought I'd be using this one, which I thought was really pretty, and it has that lovely silver streak running through it. I thought that would look so beautiful, but then I kept going and looked in my little storage bin again, and I found this one, and I said, oh, that's not going to look okay, but this one is even prettier. So that is what we're going to be doing today. So hang in there with me while I do take this off and get started. I have my glue gun here. Now, this is a new glue gun. My old glue gun gave out on me, so let's pray and hope that all goes well. So I'm going to take this off really quickly and get started here, and I hope it doesn't damage. But yeah, I thought this be, although it's, like I said, I'm going to be doing some little simple things that we can do around our home just to make a change. Forgive my hesitation. It's thundering outside. I had to be sure that's exactly what it was. So I'm going to be embellishing. Also, oh, did I cut this? Oh, okay, it's not cut. I was going to say. And now bows, because I love wired ribbon. I don't know if you work with wired ribbon, uh, but I love some wired ribbon. So I normally use wired ribbon because, yeah, Sister Cat really make a bow, but we're gonna try here today. Oh, this is it sticking? Oh, oh, that little glue is still sticking. So what I'm going to do is, let's see how this works. Make a tie. I might not need to glue it. I might need the glue for some the embellishments that I'm putting on, but I might not need the glue. Oh, that's wonderful because oh, that's wonderful. Oh, thank you, Lord Jesus. That's wonderful. I think that'll be fabulous, and I hope you can see this well because I know this ribbon is very faint, but it's so pretty. I love little details like this. This is so pretty. So you're gonna see me embarrassingly put this ribbon on here. Let's see how we can do this. I might click off or pause the video until I get it right. But you get the point. No, I don't want it that way. I want it to go this way, Saida. Oh, that rain smells so good. This should be a time when I need to sleep, but I have things to do. This video for one, and then I still need to do my tour video, the challenge decor video, and I need to go and make an errand or two. So that won't. I guess I won't be going. I won't be sleeping right now. Plus, I'm going to be changing my sheets, so I guess I won't be getting back in the bed anytime soon. Because I only use one set. I have another set, but I'm not going to reach for it. I just use the one that's on the bed. We just wash it and keep going. Okay, so I need to adjust this a little bit, but I think you get the point. I know this looks like 5-year-old right here, but you understand. So it's gonna look pretty. Just give me a moment here, and I'll be right back. So you're not gonna believe this. I just said that my glue gun gave out. So I purchased this a few weeks back, and I just opened it today from HL. It doesn't work. It doesn't work, and I did not want to use a glue like this. I wanted to use a hot glue gun so that I can take it off or embellish it. If I want to change it up, I didn't want that on it. But I was thinking like about this bow. Look at my shoe. You see my cute little shoe here? Look at the bow that's on this. Ah, isn't that cute? I was thinking like, why is this so familiar looking? And then that's when I just remembered that it is familiar because of my little shoes here. So let me get back to the DIY. I'm sorry to be so distracted here. So what I'm going to do, so now I'm going to have to use this, which I did not want to use because let me put my eyes on to open. Can you hear that thunder? That is just like let me see. Is this okay? I think this opened it. Yeah, I did not want to use something so permanent like that. But I do have. This is another way. See, these are um, little embellishments, little wilderness. Lord help me. Little things from trees, little pine cones and things like that. And little I forgot what you call these. Somebody help me out in the it looks like a rosette. It's a wooden rosette, but I have these tiny little pine cones or acorns, but it's pine cone, little tiny pine cones that I plan on putting on here. But prior to that, I might wait. I probably will wait, but I also, because as you can see, it has a little gold frosting on it. but it needs to be because I've had these forever, like really forever. So what I do, I'm sorry, this is just nail polish. These are the ways that I embellish things. I don't spend a whole lot of money on anything. So, but what I do, I just, just fix that up and paint it a little bit and, just to give it that little accent around and whatnot. And then I could also put a little bit of this sparkle on it. So that's probably what I'll do, but I'll do that afterward. So I just want to get back to this for now. Hopefully this is open. And oh, that glue gun would have been so much better so that I can take this off when I want to. But and I thought that I wanted to put it this way. Let's see. Yeah, that's gonna be fine, but it's gonna take a little while to to adhere. Oh, wow. What a faux pas. What a DIY disaster. No, just kidding. And then put that in the middle. I thought that would be very cute. So I'm going to go and I'm going to wait until this dries and we'll be right back with you. Okay, so we are back. I got the pine cone glued on and I embellished it a little bit more with some of my nail polishes here. Um, and the top, the rosette on top, I put some on there. It's not looking as pretty as it could, but it needs to dry some. But once it dries, I know it's just going to be so gorgeous, even more gorgeous, because it's really pretty to me. And I think it's really, really simple, something to dress up and something to use in your decor and to use as storage and things like clever little ways to use as storage and whatnot. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And don't forget to watch the little challenge that I am participating in it as well. And you can participate in it as well. It's an open challenge. I will leave the information to her channel down in the description box. And again, I hope this encourages you to go down, digging in your storage, your crafty storage cabinet, and getting things out so that you can make things beautiful in your place and space as well. So I will leave that information again, DIYmommy.com. I will leave that information to the challenge down in the description box, and I hope that you'll be able to participate. And please don't forget to watch my video. You are going to love it. It's going to really be a very amazing, beautiful setting. And so I'm going to be signing out for now. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate your viewership as always. So thank you so much. This is Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, signing out for now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.